We are fucked. Keep your head down. We are in it. God damn it. It passed us. It hit us. We just took a hit from it.
We've got poles down on this side.
We're okay. Steven, are you good? Steven, are you good?
Out my back windshield, but I'm good. I'm good.
It's right on.
Oh, frick. Glass might almost cut my eyeball. Frick.
You good?
Put out my back windshield, but I'm good. I'm good.
Hang on. Let me make sure we're good.
Oh, frick. Jiminy Christmas. Windshield's gone. Oh, my gosh. Yep. Windshield's gone. Buy another one for a second.
I know. We're not going to be able to keep that down.
Yeah. It is what it is. Oh,
Yeah.
shoot.
So we got hit by the outside edge.
Yeah.
We didn't get hit by the tornado. This was a wraparound vortice that got us because we watched one go past.
Yeah.
Look at his mirror.
Huh? Yeah, I got your mirror too.
Yeah, my mirror.
So you ripped your shell off mine, but it
Yeah.
shattered.
I got.